I'm Alisa Brink. I'm the chair of the accounting department, and I'm also the advisor for the Masters of Accountancy with a concentration in data analytics. So our Masters of Accountancy is different from many in that it really focuses on helping people level up their skill set, particularly as it relates to the analysis of data and using modern technology methods to do that. We have some really interesting classes. For example, we have a 4-credit class that you can do experiential learning by doing volunteer tax preparation, helping those in need to prepare tax returns while you're also learning about U.S. taxation and earning course credit. So I'd say that they're probably more balanced toward experiential types of activities, like real cases that accountants have faced when they are, say, doing a forensic accounting investigation. Like, how was that handled? What are the questions that you should ask? If you're going to conduct an interview, what are good interviewing methods? So a lot of things where you're actually getting into the accounting and learning how it's done, as opposed to just memorizing kind of basic theory. So we have a really diverse student body in all ways. We have both people that are early in their career that have maybe just completed an undergraduate degree, but we also have people in all stages of their career. So a lot of people come back to our Masters of Accountancy in order to level up, so to get that next promotion later in their career or midway in their career. VCU is really unique in its access to different types of accounting experiences. And that goes both with our location in Richmond, in which we have access to public accounting, private accounting, governmental accounting opportunities that are weaved into our program, but also with our alumni. Because we are in that location, we have access to people that have experience in all those areas that come back and contribute to our Masters of Accountancy experience. I just love meeting the people and seeing where this little piece of their story helps change their trajectory in life, and then seeing them, from then on out as lifelong colleagues.